So hello friend, I'm Sabato, your friend brings back to the new tutorial named PHP 7. So in this such a tutorial we will discuss about what is the new features of PHP 7 rather than PHP 5.6. It is newly introduced. So it is a new trend nowadays. So we all know that PHP is a very powerful language of scripting language for dynamic and interactive web pages. So what is the new feature of PHP 7? So PHP 7 is much more faster than the previous popular stable release, that is PHP 5.6. PHP 7 has improved error handling. PHP 7 supports stricter type declarations for functions arguments. Fourth, PHP 7 supports new operators like the spaceship operators. This is the spaceship operators and much more. So the new features. So there's the new features in PHP 7 is much more faster. So it is such a better than PHP 5.6 on the elements of speed and performance. So it will be quick, fast, and more user friendly than PHP 5.6. PHP 7 is improved error handling other than PHP 5.6. So it is strict type error handling and improved error handling. PHP supports stricter type declarations for functions. We'll discuss in detail about this stricter type declarations of PHP 7. And PHP 7 supports such new operators like the space operators and other operators also, and much more. So it is the stability. According to stability of performance, PHP 7 is much more ahead of other than PHP 5.6. So I'll one question in mind that why PHP 7. So PHP 7 is for the many reasons. Among them, 5 are listed. Number 1, speed and performance. Number 2, type declaration. Number 3, error handling. Number 4, new operator like spaceship operator and null coalescence operator. These two operators are introduced in PHP 7. New functions like CSPRNG functions like random minds and random integer for cryptographically introduced, which are bytes and integers. So PHP 7 is much more faster and much more performatively ahead than PHP 5.6. And type declarations. There are two type declarations here in PHP 7, that is recursive and strict method. These are introduced in PHP 7 other than PHP 5.6. Then which is strict and improved error handling method in PHP 7. New operator like spaceship operator and null coalescence operator are introduced in PHP 7. And new functions like CSPRNG functions like random bytes and random integer for generating cryptography like random bytes and random integer. So these are the very new and innovative features of PHP 7, and this is because PHP 7 is much more ahead of PHP 5.6. So in later video we will discuss detail in this features. So it is a short video, just hinting the PHP 7's features. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe for more updating videos in future, and also updating with me. If you would like to comment, please comment on YouTube. I will reply to you. So this video is for and now. So we'll communicate with the next video to you. So stay blessed and good. Thank you very much.